Mga kaibigan, ito po si Jess Carlos ng Pinoy Global News, nag-uulat para sa programang Pilipino A. At naririto po tayo sa Casa Manila para atin pong interviewin ang ina ni Christine Calayca na nawawala pa po buod noong August 2007. Mga kaibigan, katabi ko po ngayon ang ina ni Christina Calayca, si Elizabeth Calayca. Beth, magandang hapon sa iyo. Kumusta ka? Ano na ba ang latest news na nangyayari tukol sa pagkawala ni Christina, Beth?
Sa ngayon, maraming mga taong tumutulong sa akin at saka may mga fundraising na ongoing like Bring Christina Back. This is a CD ongoing right now. And also June the Divas was actually writing a new CD for us this goes by. It's going to be probably released by February. We're hoping that that's going to come out. But the support of the community, especially with the meeting today, that really helps me to see that there's a lot of love in the community, especially in the Filipino community. And with all the support, with all their ideas, I know that Christina will be back to the people that will hear this news and that will continue to support us to look for her. And we're hoping that all these ideas and all this, feedback from everyone, there should be a continuous looking for Christina. And I hope that I can find Christina back and we can bring Christina back as soon as we can.
Ano pang ibang ma-expect mo sa community para makatulong sa iyo, Beth?
Ang tuloy-tuloy na pag-support ng pamilya ng community is really the report from the newspaper, the media also, and also the financial support that we can do, and especially their talent, their motivation to actually help us to make this happen, to continue to search for Christina and to continue not to slow down but to speed it up the process of looking for her.
There you are, mga kaibigan. Ito po si Jess Carlos ng Pinoy Global News, nag-uulat para sa programang Pilipino A. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Beth.
Maraming salamat,
Okay,
Jess.